what is PP plot? PP plot is very simple technique or graphical technique whose help we can check the data fits a particular distribution or not. PP plot is also known as probability plot or percent plot or p-value plot. PP plot is a probability plot for assessing how closely two data sets agree or for assessing how closely a dataset fits a particular model. The PP plot is a graphical tool used to determine how well a given data set fits a specific probability distribution that we are testing. This plot compares the empirical cumulative distribution function of the given data with that of the assumed true cumulative probability distribution functions. So friends, let's move to SPSS software. Here we can see that there are 1 variable and 50 sample size. For this, move to variable view. In variable view we can see that the variable name age. Type of the variable numeric. Width 2 and 0 decimals. And measure is scale. We can draw the PP plot for this variable. Now again move the data view and click on the analyze menu and again click on descriptive statistics under this particular options. We can see there are a whole lot of options. Since we are interested to do PP plots, click the PP plots. And the variable age convert in the left side. And we can see the test statistics. And below the test statistics by the option is normal. When I click the drop down menu options, I can see the many other distribution. You can check for any of the distribution. I select normal distribution. After doing this, just click on OK. And there appears our plot. See here this picture of PP plot. The heading is normal PP plot of the variable age. As we see here, the x-axis is observed cumulative probability and y-axis is expected cumulative probability. And as we see the diagonal line and few circles here. When I looked at this point here and when I looked at this, circles should lie along the diagonal line. If we data follows normal, we will see these circles here lie along the diagonal line. If it lies along the 45-degree line, you can see that the variable R follows normal distribution. This particular case, the variable age does not lie along diagonal line. So what is my conclusion? My conclusion is here, the circles more or less the diagonal line in this particular graph. So the variable age follows normal distribution approximately.